Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Brett and I'm the founder of Naked Sundays, which is an all SPF 50 brand. I've stopped by MECCAversity today to show you how I incorporate SPF into my daily routine. I created Naked Sundays to make SPF easy and fun and simple to do. And the best thing about sunscreen is that it is the cheapest, easiest, quickest way to prevent sun damage and of course skin cancer. That was my whole idea with Naked Sundays, that prevention is better than cure. I was a news reporter for a very long time and I'd be out on the road and I'd be in the blazing sun with a full face of makeup in bright camera lights. When you work outside for long hours like I did, you can really feel the sun burning on your skin. You can feel it. But you can't reapply sunscreen over your makeup because sunscreen's white, sunscreen's sticky, and it doesn't match over your makeup. And I couldn't find anything on the market, and I really thought to myself, okay, how cool would it be if I could create a product that you could spray over your makeup? It would be like rose water and have hyaluronic acid and be really good for your skin and give you SPF 50. It's trial and error. You have to wear it. You have to wear it with your routine, your skincare and your makeup. The best sunscreen for you is the one that you are going to wear and love to wear every single day. It should not be a chore. Sunscreen should be enjoyable. So now I'm going to take you through our Naked Sundays products and I'm going to show you how I do my SPF routine, but I'm going to explain some of our products so you can choose your own SPF routine that suits you. So when starting out your SPF routine, you want a primary SPF first. After your skincare, as your last layer before your makeup, you need to be wearing half a teaspoon of sunscreen. So our choices from Naked Sundays are your SPF 50 plus mineral perfecting priming lotion. And then we've also got this new one, which is called Cabana Clear, and it's also SPF 50. It's a clear water gel. So I'm gonna do each side of my face with a different one, and I'll show you how they both look. So you can see on the brush, we've got the Cabana Clear, and it is that gel-like texture. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, so really you don't need any of your serums on when you put this on. I just want one product in the morning, and I don't want to wear any makeup. I'm going to kids' sport, or I'm running to the shops, and I don't want any glitter, any tint, nothing. All you need is your Cabana Clear. Also, it is incredible under makeup. I'm going to show you how it looks on this side. Now, this is the correct amount for my entire face, by the way. This is a quarter of a teaspoon, but I'm only going to put it on this side of my face to show you just how non-greasy it looks on the skin, but does give you that slight glow. And I'll put on makeup afterwards as well, so you can actually see how it sits under makeup. Now I'm going to put the other side of my face, the SPF 50 plus 100% mineral perfecting priming lotion. This has mineral actives only. It has 22.75% zinc oxide, so it is really good for sensitive skin. Now, interestingly about this mineral, I will say it is very thick, or at least it appears thick, because as I mentioned, it has 22.75% zinc. So you can see that looks crazy thick. Now remember that the amount that I've put on this brush is actually the amount that you need to put on your entire face, but I'm going to show you how it looks on one side of my face if you put it on properly. This is the reason why I created this SPF BFF brush, because it is really important that you get into every little crevice of your face, and you can do that much more easily with a brush. And then selfishly, so it doesn't get on your hands and then it doesn't ruin your clothes. People love this sunscreen because it also has iron oxides in it. So it has a unique blend that actually blends in with your skin tone. So you can see it on my skin there. You can barely see it. Okay, the moment I've been waiting for to show you Beauty Screen. This is a mineral peptide foundation tint. It is a medium coverage. It is more of a satin matte finish. If you would just like to wear this, you really do need to put a lot on, or you have to wear your primary sunscreen underneath. This is SPF 50 mineral. You can see it's not greasy, it's not super glowy. Under makeup now, you've got your thick, you saw how thick it was, that thick mineral sunscreen that you cannot see right now. You now know that you have enough mineral sunscreen under your makeup. You put your makeup over, doesn't pill, you cannot see it, and it just gives that great priming base. Put any of your sunscreens that you like, any of these sunscreens on your neck as well. Now that I've got my primary sunscreen on and my beauty screen, next up I love to put the SPF 50 bronzing drops. They're also called Cabana Glow. They're in the Cabana Glow family. How I created these Cabana Glows, these two, illuminating and bronze, is that they're exactly the same active systems. If you have lighter skin, you can actually mix the bronze drops with our pearlescent Cabana Glow. That will give that touch of bronze as well. Layering you can do. You can layer your SPF. You shouldn't mix SPF if they are different active systems, but you can layer it on top of one another. This looks like I've stepped out of the Caribbean now. So once you've got your full face of SPF on, then you can put on our Cabana Glow SPF 50 Serum Blush. If you can see it here. And the best thing about this blush serum, it's more liquidy than a normal blush. So you can just put it over the top. It is the same formula as Cabana Glow. So you can put on your illuminating, your full half a teaspoon. You can put on your bronze and then you put your blush on the top and you have a full face of SPF 50 mineral sunscreen. I'm going to finish off with our SPF 50 Glow and Go lip oil, which comes in 3 shades. And this again, just put it over your lipstick, put it over your lip gloss as your last layer, just to protect your lips from the sun as well. So now I've got my full face of SPF done. I really wanted Naked Sundays to be able to be complementary to your other skincare, your other makeup. So top up with our mist. I have one of these SPF 50 plus hydrating glow mists in my car, in my handbag, everywhere. The other product that can be used to top up over your makeup is the SPF 50 Clear Glow Sun Stick. This is 100% clear. You can wear it on your hands, back of your hands when you're driving. Let's say I go outside to my car, I just quickly put it on here. I put it on everywhere. So easy to use. Wearing your sunscreen can actually save your life. And it's not just wearing your sunscreen, but it's thinking about your sun's safety. So you're putting on your sunscreen and then you're thinking, is it enough? Should I wear a hat as well? Should I wear my sunglasses when I'm walking to my car just to protect my eyes? It's really getting everyone thinking more about sun safety, especially here in Australia with the ozone layer and the strength of our sun and the prevalence of melanoma. The more people that are thinking about it, the better. So that's my SPF wardrobe. If you want to get the right SPF for you, you can visit your nearest Mecca store or you can jump online. I'll see you soon. Is it a wrap?